Alright guys, well no upgrades right now because taking off the tire, one of the studs broke. And I've checked online, there's no video how to replace these. So let's do this. So this is the broken stud. You see how we're gonna have to remove this. We have to move this over here. So since the car's already up, we have to put it in neutral. Alright, so we're gonna have to turn the wheel forward. There. Good. So now with the stud forward, we need to remove, you see back here, there's two screws. Gotta remove this one. You gotta remove this one. So once you take off everything, you take off the bolts in the back, this just comes off. There it is. And then you have this. So we need to take off the disc. So this should come off with just one screw. So now that disc is out, everything is out. See? This is why we had to turn it, so you can have this space to hammer this out. Just punch it out. So, sledgehammer. Here. Alright guys, so once it's out, just simply put it to the back. Hey. You might need to, this will be on the way. Now you're might have to hammer this a little bit, but you go. Once you do that, you'll see. There it goes in, and
ready.
Okay, the screw hole is here, so put this here. There's the new one. So the new one, we grab it. And we tighten that. Tighten it. So since I can't see, I tighten it a little bit, but you can still see that it's sticking out. So you see how these are flushed in. So I gotta do it more. So I gotta put the disc back. You have to really tighten it. It's flush. And then you just put everything back together.